Imagine waking up tomorrow in a world where every computer is shut down. No phones, no internet, no digital system, no food delivery apps. What do you think next will happen? Hospitals will struggle to treat patients, businesses will collapse, and communication across continents will vanish. That's how deeply computer technology is woven into our lives. And this shows how important computer technology is to our lives. Computer technology isn't just about convenience, it's the backbone of modern civilization. It runs our transportation system, keeps our financial network secure, and even helps farmers grow food efficiently. From the smallest smartphone to the largest supercomputer, technology is the invisible force keeping the world in motion. Think about the simple things you do every day. For example, ordering food using your mobile phone, checking your bank balance online, or using GPS to find your way. These are some of the few mythical things technology can. Here's the challenge. Technology is evolving faster than ever before. For example, artificial intelligence, robotics, blockchain, quantum computing. These are not distant ideas. They are happening right now. And every day, the gap widens between those who adapt and those who don't. Jobs are shifting before our eyes. Automation is replacing repetitive tasks in factories, offices, and even customer services. But at the same time, new careers are emerging. Data scientists who make sense of the world's information, cybersecurity experts who protect our digital lives, and AI ethics who ensure technology serves humanity responsibly. The future of work isn't about losing jobs, it's about transforming them. History shows us that who resist change often get left behind. Think about companies that ignore the internet or people who refuses to learn smartphones. The world didn't wait for them and it won't wait for us. Take the story of two bookstores in the same city. One embarrassed technology, building on online stores, offering ebooks, and using social media to reach new readers. Today, it thrives, shipping books worldwide and connecting with customers far beyond its neighborhood. The other refused to adapt, insisting that the old ways were enough. Slowly, its customers drifted away and eventually its doors closed for good. The difference wasn't passion, actually, it was the willingness to adapt. Adapting doesn't mean becoming a tech genius overnight. It means being open to learning. And one of the most powerful things about technology is its ability to include everyone. For people with disabilities, technology opened doors that were once closed. Screen readers give access to books. Voice recognition empowers communication, and smart devices make everyday tasks easier. For remote communities, technology brings education, healthcare, and business opportunities right to their fingerprint. The biggest challenges of our time are climate change, healthcare, and poverty. And guess what? They cannot be solved completely without technology. And developing countries already solved 50% of these challenges using technology. By what? By using computer models to predict weather patterns. AI helps doctors to diagnose diseases earlier, and digital platforms connect innovators across continents. like the entire continent. Wonderful. Think about renewable energy grids that balance power across entire nation. Smart cities that uses sensors to reduce traffic and pollution, and telemedicine that brings healthcare to people who live hours away from the nearest hospital. These are not science fiction. They are happening right now. Technology isn't just about progress, it is about survival. At its core, technology is about people, it's about connection, opportunity, and hope. But not everyone has equal access. Millions still live without reliable internet, without digital tools, without the chance to participate in the digital age. This is the digital divide, and it is one of the greatest challenges we must overcome. Digital equality means ensuring that a child in a rural village has the same access to knowledge as a student in a big city. It means giving small businesses in developing regions the tool to compete globally. It means empowering people with disabilities to live more independent, connected lives. Bridging the digital divide isn't just about fairness, it is about unlocking human potential everywhere. Technology must not be a privilege for the few, it must be a right for all. Because when everyone is connected, everyone can contribute and everyone can thrive. Computer technology is the language of tomorrow. The question is not whether it will shape our future because it is already shaping our own future. The real question is, will you adapt or will you be left behind? The future isn't waiting, it's already here, and it's time to embrace it. You need to learn, adapt, and grow because tomorrow belongs to those who prefer today. Thank you for your time.